Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another post market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. And as usual, we will be looking at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index, my expectation was for the dollar index to continue its bearish movement, right? So you can see here, I drew out this fair value gap, right? So I was waiting for price to hit this fair value gap before pushing downwards to take out this old low. And as you can see here, that was what we got. So as you can see, price got to the fair value gap and is currently pushing lower. It's not at it doesn't actually taking out the target for this trade, but as you can see, we are getting there closer and closer. So if you go down to the 4-hour time frame to look at more, a detailed analysis of this, you can see how we hit the fair value gap on the 4-hour. Then we shifted structure and also broke. We shifted structure here. Then we broke structure here. So we started pushing lower and lower. So once again, we might have a little bit of retracement, to this fair value gap here. There's another fair value gap here before we see price go lower once more. So I think that's what price is doing right now. Now, if we take this analysis and head over to Euro USD, you're going to see the opposite of what we just saw here play out on the Euro USD. So as you can see, this was what I was waiting for on the Euro USD. The dollar index is bearish, then that means Euro USD is going to be bullish. So as you can see, this was our fair value gap. Let me delete this first of all. We had a fair value gap here, which I wanted our price to, hit price to retrace to before moving upwards to take out this old high here. And as you can see, price hits that fair value gap nicely and is pushing towards our target little by little. So if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame here. Now you see how we retrace to that fair value gap. We consolidated a little bit there when price got to the fair value gap. Then we broke structure and started putting in higher prices. So right now, if you go over to the 4-hour once more, I think we are kind of retracing into this fair value gap once more before we'll see a move to take out this high here. So that is what I'm going to be expecting. So guys, stay tuned for the pre-market analysis video where we are going to be going into we are going to be talking about what we'll be expecting for the coming week. We are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what we are going to be expecting on this pair together with the dollar index. So guys, till next time, I will see you in the next video.